Welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for everything related to garden art, decor, and craft inspirations. Today, we are diving into summer garden art DIYs with 14 neat-looking garden border ideas made entirely from upcycled materials. These clever projects will not only define your garden beds but also give your outdoor space a unique, artistic charm without breaking the bank. If you love transforming trash into treasure, make sure to comment your thoughts, like this video, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration. Repurposing old wine bottles is a classic and vibrant way to line your summer garden beds. Simply collect bottles of various shapes and colors, then bury them neck down along your pathway or flower borders. The glass catches the afternoon sunlight beautifully, creating a glowing, stained glass effect that elevates the entire landscape. It is an eco-friendly project that keeps glass out of landfills while adding an instant splash of permanent color to your yard. If you have a collection of chipped or cracked terracotta pots, do not throw them away just yet. Tipping them on their sides or nesting them halfway into the dirt creates a beautiful, tiered rustic border. You can even plant small succulents or trailing herbs inside the openings for an extra layer of greenery. This idea brings a charming, old-world Mediterranean vibe to any standard backyard garden plot. Old metal bicycle wheels can be salvaged and lined up to form a whimsical, architectural garden border. Bury them halfway into the ground in a straight line or overlapping pattern to create a sturdy, geometric barrier. Over time, climbing vines like ivy or jasmine can weave through the spokes, blending the metal with nature. This upcycle project adds a delightful touch of vintage industrial flair to your outdoor paths. Give fallen tree branches and small logs a second life by cutting them into uniform heights and arranging them vertically. To make them truly pop against your green foliage, paint the tops or the entire surface with bright outdoor acrylics. This creates a playful, pencil-like border that is perfect for framing vegetable patches or children's garden areas. It is an excellent, budget-friendly way to introduce organic shapes and vibrant patterns into your yard design. Leftover construction materials like old bricks and cobblestones can be arranged in a classic sawtooth pattern for a timeless look. Tilting the bricks at a 45-degree angle creates a dynamic, jagged edge that keeps mulch firmly inside the garden beds. This traditional style looks incredibly neat and provides a crisp, clean boundary between your lawn and flowers. It is a highly durable solution that requires minimal maintenance once properly set into the ground. Wooden pallets are incredibly versatile and can easily be dismantled to create low-profile garden borders. Sand down the slats and apply a weather-resistant stain or a coat of crisp white paint to match your home exterior. Installing these slats horizontally or vertically gives you total control over the height and style of your garden edges. This project provides a clean, modern rustic framework that beautifully showcases your favorite summer blooms. Mismatched vintage ceramic plates can be pushed halfway into the soil to form a sweet cottagecore garden border. Mix and match different patterns, colors, and sizes from thrift stores to create a highly personalized, artistic display. The smooth porcelain contrasts beautifully with textured mulch and soft green foliage. This unique edging idea gives your garden a nostalgic, fairy tale aesthetic while giving forgotten kitchenware a brand new purpose. For a truly bold and unexpected statement, consider lining your garden path with colorful retired bowling balls. Their perfect spheres and glossy finishes add a modern sculptural element that instantly draws the eye. You can leave them in their original retro colors or paint them with reflective metallic coatings to mimic high-end gazing globes. This heavy-duty border is incredibly weather-resistant and will stay looking sharp for years to come. Bring the relaxing vibe of the beach to your landlocked backyard by using large seashells and smooth river stones as a border. Grouping large conch shells or rows of uniform white stones creates a clean, serene boundary for your garden beds. This texture-rich option looks particularly stunning next to sandy soil, succulents, or ornamental coastal grasses. It is a wonderful way to showcase your vacation treasures while keeping your garden borders looking neat and natural. Old silver-plated spoons and forks can be bent and planted into the dirt to create a delicate, shiny fence structure. Interlocking the handles or lining them up in a repeating pattern gives a quirky Alice in Wonderland feel to small herb gardens. When the breeze blows, they can even create a gentle, musical tinkling sound against one another. This whimsical project is a fantastic conversation starter that proves no item is too small to be upcycled beautifully. You can upgrade standard poured concrete borders by pressing colorful glass marbles into the wet mixture before it sets. As the concrete cures, the marbles remain permanently embedded, creating a beautiful mosaic pattern that catches the sunlight. This technique allows you to customize the layout, spelling out words or forming intricate floral shapes along your path. The resulting border is both incredibly durable and filled with sparkling, artistic personality. Terracotta or slate roof tiles can be repurposed into an elegant, overlapping scalloped garden border. Layering them partially in the ground creates a clean, continuous wave pattern that prevents soil erosion during heavy summer rains. The earthy tones of old clay tiles blend seamlessly with organic mulch and green plant stems. It is a smart architectural way to recycle leftover building materials into a functional and stylish garden feature. Outdated CDs and DVDs can be broken into safe mosaic shards and glued onto a basic brick or concrete border. The reflective backing of the discs creates a brilliant, holographic shimmer that deters pests while catching the eyes of visitors. Coating the finished mosaic with a clear, UV-resistant sealer ensures the colors stay vibrant against the summer elements. This dazzling DIY project gives a futuristic, artistic spin to items that would otherwise end up in the trash. Wattle fencing is an ancient technique that uses flexible tree branches and twigs woven around sturdy wooden stakes to create a natural border. You can gather fallen willow, birch, or hazel twigs from your yard to construct this rustic, organic boundary. It is perfect for giving your garden beds a cozy, English cottage appearance while keeping soil firmly in place. Thank you so much for exploring these creative ideas with us today. Please remember to comment your favorite project, like this video, share it around, subscribe to Garden Art Corner, and have a wonderful day in your garden.